If you could have one superpower, what would it be? A question that has sparked numerous debates and even the loss of a couple friendships over the years. Now, what if I told you in the animal kingdom, superpowers actually exist? And although superhuman strength and X-ray vision may seem appealing, today I'm going to introduce you to the superpower of magnetoreception. So magnetoreception is the ability for animals to detect and use the Earth's magnetic field as a navigational cue. So we've known for a long time that animals such as turtles, birds, butterflies, and fish all use magnetism to undergo these massive migrations to find their home and to even capture prey. Now, what we don't know is how animals are actually doing this. So they can't just pull out their phone or their compass and have any idea where they're going. So my thesis is aimed at understanding the mechanisms that allow animals to detect the Earth's magnetic field. And the molecule that I think is enabling this superpower is called cryptochrome. Now, cryptochrome is this ancient protein that's both sensitive to light and can respond to magnetic fields. And in birds, cryptochrome is found in the eye, and it's associated with another cell type called cones. Now, cones help birds, fish, and other animals, including us, see and detect color information. So if we have cryptochrome that is detecting magnetic fields, and we have cones that are detecting visual and color information together, they might send their signals to the same area of the brain and allow organisms to visualize the magnetic field. Now, to study this theory in birds, it's extremely difficult because they're very complicated genetically. So it's not easy to manipulate the amount of cones or cryptochrome in the bird eye. That's where my model, the super zebrafish, comes in. So our lab has engineered a line of zebrafish where we can selectively remove a cone subtype from the eye and then ask, what happens to cryptochrome? What happens to magnetoreception? And my preliminary results have shown that indeed, if you decrease the amount of cones, you also decrease the amount of cryptochrome. This is some of the first experimental evidence showing that these two are associated in a fish model. So it's super exciting. So why is this important? Well, besides getting to study animal superpowers, it's more recently been shown that human-caused magnetic interference can disorient birds. So if we start to understand how animals detect magnetic fields, we can start to better evaluate and potentially mitigate the effects that we as humans have had on the magnetic environment in the water, on the land, and in the air. Thank you very much.